In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make TikTok videos. Now, if you're new to TikTok and you want to learn how you can make and create TikTok videos, then you've come to the right place because I'm exactly gonna show you all the things that you need. So from the home screen of your TikTok account, you just tap on the plus icon on the bottom. Now the camera of your TikTok account will open up. Now there are either two things that you can do. Either you can take a video or a TikTok straight away, or if you have already taken a particular video, you can also upload it from your gallery. So tap on the upload option on the bottom right, and then you can just choose any video that you want to upload. If not, you can also record it straight away. Here are three options: 15 seconds, 60 seconds, and 3 minutes. There are a lot of effects that you can use on TikTok. So if you tap on this effects tab on the bottom right, you'll be able to choose from tons of effects that are available. If you tap on a particular effect, that effect will be added to your video. Now I've just taken a blank video here. Now other than effects, the other thing that you can also add is in filters. If you tap on the filters option, here you can choose from tons of filters that you like on your video. So you can take a look at all of these other functions. You can manage the speed and even add in the beautify effect, so shape in different areas of your face and other stuff. Now once you take the video, you just tap on the tick mark on the bottom right, and this panel will open up. Here you can do further editing and then add in other things. So such as if you want to add in sounds to your TikTok video, you can do that by tapping on the sounds tab, which is the add sounds on the top. Here you'd be able to see all of the different sounds that you can use on your video. Now if you are a business account, you won't be able to use all of these sounds. You will only be able to use commercial sounds. So if you're new on TikTok, you don't really need to switch to a business account. If you haven't yet, you'll be able to use all of the sounds that are available. You just tap on that particular sound and then tap on the tick mark, and that sound will be added to your video. You can also add in audios and manage the audios. So tap on audio editing, and here you can change your voice to a different voice. You just tap on a particular voice and your voice will be changed. And you can also tap on the volume option right here, and then if your video has an original sound and you want to increase it, you can do so, and you can decrease the sound that you just added, and tap on done. Once you made all the changes, you just tap on the next on the bottom right, and you can add in hashtags and select a cover. In the cover, you can select from the video only, or you can also add in other stuff such as text and other things. After you're done, tap on save on the top right. Now if you want a higher quality upload, make sure that you select or toggle on allow high quality uploads. This way your video will not get compressed. Now you just tap on post on the bottom right, and there you go, you successfully posted and made your TikTok video. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.